Hello, my dear students. So, from today, we are going to start our FA2 syllabus. And first of all, I would like to start from history. So, FA2 first chapter of the history is chapter number 3 in the earliest cities. In this chapter, we discuss about the earliest cities, the oldest cities, about them and their people, how the people are living in those cities, how their buildings, and how was their livelihoods. We will learn all these things. So the story of Harappa is a civilization, and it was an cultured and well developed civilization in the earliest society. Harappan civilization was discovered almost 80 years ago, when in present day of Pakistan we find the Harappan civilization, and at that time before 80 years or 90 years ago, some railways tracks are sitting on the Pakistan. The place is which place? Let me see. I forgot the place, but I will discuss you the place name. So in this time, the workers found various types of bricks and so many things. Later, when archaeologists searched on them and they did research on them, they found there was a city in the earlier time, and it is also considered as the earliest cities of the world. So this is how we found Harappan civilization. Now we learn about the Harappan culture and their specialties, everything. Harappan towns are divided into two parts. One part is called a citadel, which is called upper part. Here the officials or the upper class leaders are living, and another part is called lower part or catadel. These part are bigger than the citadel or upper part, because all the worker society are living there. All kinds of small shops and everything are in the lower part. So these two types of parts are found in the earliest cities. So before I discuss all these things, we need to see the pictures. These are the pictures of the earliest cities you can see in your chapter. Okay. So some cities special buildings were considered in the citadel. For example, in Mohenjo-daro, a very special tank was there, which is called the Great Bath. You see, it is a very special tank which is called Great Bath. It is Harappan civilization. We can assume that it was in the 2400 years ago, 2400 BC. I mean, from today 4700 years ago, we found the Harappan civilization 4700 years ago. So at the time they had a good system of the Great Bath. There was a particular system of the bathing. There was some stairs are there. The bathing system was very developed, and also the water outline connection was very well. If you read the chapter, you will find that all the houses of the cities have one kitchen, one washroom, and all the kitchens and washroom are connected to the drain of the city. So it is very well designed and well planned city, that till today all the cities in India and as well as in the well developed countries are also not up to the level of them. So I am very shortly precisely discussing all these things so that you can understand. I discussed about the house, drains and streets. Their streets are the uh, made by burned bricks, and the street was connected, near the street there was a drain system so that all the water can go thoroughly to the river. Life in the city. Harappan city was a very busy place. There was people who planned the construction of special buildings in the city. These were probably the rulers. It is likely that the rulers sent people to distant land. Okay, so the life of the city, I can discuss it. In the earlier time, Harappan city was one of the most busiest city. So here the rulers sent some specialists to collect the materials, gold, silvers, and everything from another cities. One type of persons are busy in them, in these things. Another type, some farmers and gatherers go out from the city. They gathered some fruits or vegetables and they sell it to the market. On the other hand, those who learned people, they also helped in making seal, and in making the seals and prepare and they also write the scripts or any other things, because there you can see on their coins there are something need to write, some words are there, but till today not no one can understood which language is this, because it was the earliest language. It doesn't match with our modern any language. Beside there was man and woman craft person making all kinds of things. Beside these, some craft person were there, they make their clothes or any other things from the for the people. On the other hand, some people make terracotta toys. Terracotta toy is very important. You see, this is called terracotta toys. These were found in the sites of Harappan civilization. So these terracotta toys also made by some people and sell it to the market. This is how they are livelihood. You can see the drainage system of the Harappan civilization. You just imagine, till today in our village, in our place, there is no drainage system, but before 4700 years ago there was a drainage system in this way, and there was a well which is well designed and well planned at that time. Okay, up to that much our today's class, and in the next class I will discuss the rest of the chapter. Thank you. If you face any kind of problem, you may ask me.